What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're gonna do a Dollar Tree dream catcher. Okay, guys, for this DIY you're going to need one of those Dollar Tree reef circle things, whatever you call it. You're gonna need some wire cutters, some beads, which you can also find at the Dollar Tree, and some yarn we can find at your local craft store. Let's get started, guys. Alrighty, the first step you're going to need to do is take your wire cutters in your reef, what the heck is it called, y'all? Your metal reef ring, which, like I say, you get it from the Dollar Tree. Booyah. And we're gonna cut out each of the circles. This one I actually got for 50 cents because it's broken. But you can still use it, even just put some little tape on there and go about your business, okay? But for this DIY, I'm just gonna use this smaller circle. So you just take your wire cutters, get to that very edge, and yeah, and it's supposed to cut, guys, okay? You already know how my DIYs go. Now, earlier I done jacked up my hand, so I'm trying to be very careful. Boom. Yeah, y'all already know. Okay, I promise y'all it cuts, okay? Let's try again. Oh my God. Okay, my hand hurting. Booyah! It cut. See it? It's loose. So we're gonna do another circle for you guys. So y'all can see how it's not as hard as it looked, but I jacked up my hand, guys. And you just grab it. Yeah. It ain't doing it again, okay? It ain't doing it again. But I promise you guys, it ain't that hard. I think just the way I'm holding it. But you saw that I cut one of them. Someone cut the rest of them out, and then I come back. Okay, guys, I finally cut it out. And as you see, I just removed the middle section, the smallest circle. You can cut out any size circle that you want from your reef hoop thingamajiggy, but I wanted to start off with the smallest one. And here you have it. And also a little note, you might want to file these edges that you cut so it won't poke you. Because, yes, I got like a little injuries. But, or you can just cover it with your yarn, whatever. But to be on the safe side, I would put like maybe a little tape it up, so then that way it won't scratch you. Alright, y'all, let's go to the next step. Okay, guys, the next step is to actually take whatever yarn that you're going to use for your project. This yarn is going to be needed to go around your whole hoop, as well as create the actual dream catcher that's, in the middle as the part, you know what I'm trying to say. And then you need like either cardboard, why don't I sound right? Y'all need some paper, okay, that you need to wrap this around, okay? So you just, wherever the heck the mug starts from, and take off, whatever, guys, a generous amount, and wrap it around this bad boy, okay? And I'm about to untangle this. I thought it was untangled already. Obviously it's not. And I'll give you an example of what I'm talking about after Oh, okay. Alrighty, so I finally untangled it. So you just take your end piece and put that bad boy on there, and then wrap that Jones around it. And this way, when you're going around your hoop, it stays untangled and it keeps you organized properly. And it goes a lot faster, trust and believe, guys. So I'm gonna get this a generous amount on here, and I will be right back. What? So once you have enough a little yarn on it, and I'm gonna tell you guys you're gonna need more than this, but this is just to give y'all an example. And you take one of the ends, take your hoop, And then you're gonna tie a knot. Tie it in a knot. Can y'all see it? Can you see it? Boom. One day, Jesus. And there we have it. So you just tie a knot on it. And so then you take your thread and then you will just keep going around this bad boy, as such, until you cover your whole hoop with your yarn of your choice. See? And that's just getting it started. So you're gonna do this around your whole hoop. And this makes it so much easier, guys. Keep it close to the board. Alrighty, and this is how your hoop will look after it is completely covered. And you can make it as thick as you want, but I just did one layer. Okay, the next step is we're gonna start the actual pattern of the dreamcatcher. So you're gonna take your yarn again back on your little handy little cardboard thingamajiggy. You're gonna tie another little knot. Y'all, this Jones is hard to do on camera, okay? You're gonna tie another little knot, or just a tie. It's not an actual knot, guys, but you know what I mean. And make sure it's secure. And then you're gonna make sure this is tight on your cardboard again. And then you're gonna just start under, make that go under it, like that. So you go under, and then you take the cardboard, go through that loop. And then it's gonna create that loop. And then you just keep doing that same concept, people. Okay, so then you go to the next one. You go under, yeah, under, and then under. And then it creates that the second loop. See? You have 2 loops. And you keep doing that throughout your whole hoop. Let's do it one more time. Okay. So under, and then go through that loop. And then it creates that loop. Okay, guys? So once you make a complete circle around doing that same pattern, the same pattern that I just showed you, under and through. And then once you complete that, and then you're gonna come back around and say, act like we completed it. And then you're gonna go through these loops. And then you're gonna do that same pattern, but you're gonna just go through the loop this time and just go through each loop, each loop, each loop. Okay? I hope that makes sense, guys. So you're gonna complete this going through around there, and then once you finish that, then you're gonna just go through each loop one time. Let me finish and I'll show you the second step. Okay, see, it's completed. I did the pattern around the whole loop until I got back to my start. So then you're just gonna go through each of the loops that you just created. Y'all might want to make your cardboard a little smaller than this, because this is kind of difficult. So you just go through that Jones like that through each loop. Father, make it go through like that. And so you just go through each one of them, through each little loop. Oh my God, Jesus, why did I make the cardboard this big? But y'all get the gist. And so you just go through each loop with the board. See? You go through it with the board until you have completed it around. And you just keep doing that same pattern until you get to the center, okay guys? And you ain't changing nothing up. Just go to the next loop, and then the next one, then the next one, until you finish. And voila. It's yours should look similar to this, unless you come up with your own little pattern. Y'all, there's no right way of doing it. Wrong way of doing it. I meant to say wrong. There is no wrong way of doing it. Your pattern may not be exactly like this. It could be similar like this or whatever. So when you get in the middle, just bring it so it can close up the gap. And then I'm going to add little beads to mine, I do believe. And then I'm going to show y'all the next little step. Alrighty guys, this is my finished dream catcher. I really like the way it turned out. And as you see, I just added the yarn, cut like individual yarn pieces, strings, what have you. They're all the same size, but I just made them look different lengths and added the beads at the end. And all I did with add the beads was I just, of course, threaded the beads through, y'all. Yeah, I already know how my life works. But y'all know how to thread some beads through this bad boy. Plot out. Booyah. And I just did 7 beads on each string. And for the center, can y'all see it? Yes. For that center, I just did 7 beads and I made a circle and I just tied it on there. That simple, guys. And of course you can embellish this a whole lot more than I'm showing for mine, but I wanted mine to be simple. I might add a little bit more later, but for now, I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out, guys. And there you have it. And all the items that you see, including the beads, can be purchased at Dollar Tree. So you're looking basically, except for the yarn. I think some Dollar Trees do have yarn, but I'm not, you know, how Dollar Tree is. Each location have different items. So have at it, guys. Make your own dream catcher. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next Friday.